We've been making torsion springs for many years, and some of the questions that get brought up with torsion springs is how to test them. And we have found over the years that our best method of testing them is to mock the application that the torsion spring is used in currently. A lot of people just send us a torsion spring print, and some of the questions that we ask are, what is the size arbor or mandrill that fits through the ID of the spring? Torsion springs obviously have torsion legs, and the position where the parts are touched in the application is important. If you touch the torsion legs closer to the body of the spring, you can get a higher output of force. So we ask prospective customers where the touch points are. When we test torsion springs, we place it on a torsion tester and we position the legs until they touch, and then we zero the torsion tester, and then we rotate the part or torque the part to the load requirements. And in some cases we have 2 load requirements. And general rule of thumb is we take the part to the first number of degrees that needed to be torqued, and then we record the force, and then we take it to the 2nd degree requirement and then record the force. Once we have recorded the force requirements, we will document those and we will compare those to the blueprint to make sure they're within specifications.